Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix the black screen on your Steam account. Let's begin. First, make sure to log in into the correct account. And once you've opened up your Steam client, click on this icon over here on the upper left corner, and then go to Settings. Then click on Security and make sure this is enabled. Don't save account credentials on this computer. So enable this. Next, go to the interface. If you see this client beta participation, by default, it will choose no beta chosen. Click on the drop down and then choose Steam Beta Update. Once you click this option, Steam client will automatically restart. However, if yours does not, you can go to your task manager. Okay, task manager, and then just look for Steam and then add a task, right? And once done, you just basically need to restart Steam, and once back, everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.